for time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado K10. Regular cab short box. This particular truck has underwent a restoration as far as repaint, new interior, powered by a small block Chev underneath the hood. Was originally a 305 truck. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive, so 700R4 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, the bed. Over 100 pictures of this truck online, and that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the front end as far as the grille, chrome, looking good. A couple bumper guards up front. Paint on the truck, you can tell, is not that old. This truck actually is a Southern truck before coming to us. Shows well. Interior is a gray cloth bench. Quarter shifter on the column. 4x4 with the transfer case. Lever on the floor. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a spray-in bed liner. Sliding rear window, as you can see. And of course, again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, probably around the neighborhood of 100 pictures of this truck. Take a look up and down the driver's side also. It's riding on the stock Chevy wheels, as you can also see. Summit all-terrain radials. Plenty of rubber on them too. You can see that in the still pictures. Got a close-up of each wheel and tire. Alright, the one thing I did say, power steering, power brakes, AC. I was in playing around with the AC a little bit ago. I could not get the compressor to kick on and off. It appears everything's there. I'm going to start it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. And power windows, power locks, of course. Wipers did work. I did not get the radio to power up. Looks like it still has a stock radio in it. As you can see, the seats have been reupholstered. Also in nice shape. Vinyl sides. Cloth tops. Seat belt's all intact yet. Let's go ahead and start this up. Fasten seat belt light. That's how easily it starts. Appears all the gauges worked also except for the clock. Oil pressure up. Voltage. And assuming temp gauge is going to come up with engine temp. See the dash too. What do you know? One that's not cracked up where the speaker is. Faded, discolored, anything like that. Dash, nice shape. As well as that headliner you can see, also intact and nice shape. Slip around to the back of this. This truck does have headers, dual exhaust, and it sounds good. Kind of a deep little throaty rumble. Nothing obnoxious, but just nice sounding V8 underneath that hood. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. Check out the hood liner. Nice and neat and tidy under here. Wow. Again, it appears all the AC components are there, compressor and everything. There's your headers, power brakes, power steering. A little chrome dressed up with valve covers and air cleaner cover. Guessing that AC would need a charge. Looks like a newer Delco battery. Smooth runner. Looking for a nice 4x4 short box. Here you go, 1985 Silverado K10. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out the still pictures, underside, interior, all around this truck. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.